Hey, Nick Kennedy here, FlexArm, FlexCNC. Hey, today we are going to show you guys a little time study race. Thread milling on the mill versus tapping on the FlexArm. 1.25 inch, 2 holes on this bar right here. So we're going to see who gets it done faster. What do you think? Let's go. We got our part set up on the mill. Wanna watch our time? We're just gonna sit and wait. All right, now hopefully you're still awake. After that 3 minutes and 30 seconds, we're gonna go check it out on the FlexArm and see how fast we can do it over there. Let's go. Ready for the next part? All right, just finished the race. 3 minutes, 30 seconds on the mill, about 1 minute, 45 seconds per hole, or 15 seconds per hole on the FlexArm. Just under 30 seconds to do the 2 holes on the FlexArm. So you decide, what's faster? Obviously the FlexArm. Help speed up your operations, tap faster, get more parts through your shop, put your operators to work. Give me a call, 800-837-2503. Let us do a race for you. We'll do a time analysis and show you how much faster you could be processing your parts. Tap offline, use the FlexArm, 800-837-2503. Thanks.